So uh, this is basement level to plinth level, and this is the roof level to start room. Roof level to lip floor 1500, lip pit to plinth level 1600, and lip floor to lip roof 2400. And height of parapet, general over roof is considered uh, 900 mm, and over stair roof considered 600 mm parapet wall, and balcony wall widened 1200 mm, and that is the percentage opening considered. For outside wall, 25% are considered as opening for window for window, and for internal wall, 5% opening are considered only for doors, and for balcony is 10%, and for a staircase window 50% are considered as opening, and due to the staircase window. And overall thickness of slab for panel marked S1, also S2, S3, S4 is 125 mm, and the roof 120, also 125 mm. Finishing thickness of floor roof treatment plaster over floor basement slab 50 mm, and over roof slab 75 mm, and ceiling plaster 10 mm. Outside and inside wall plaster average not loads due to plaster on the not considered is 16 mm. Outside and inside wall 16 mm. Loads due to plaster are not considered. um, Considered. And unit of concrete and brick, reinforcement cement concrete 25, floor finishing 24, roof treatment 22, plaster work 20, and brick works 20 kilometer Turkey, and depth of floor beam for calculation of root floor beam considered have 500, depth of floor beams 500, and inner beam 500, tie beam also 500. Here the calculation are start. Outside brick up from top of tie beam to PL 25 mm, and height is 1.25. So that is the 6.2, and outside brick up floor to floor is 0.25, equal to 50 mm. Height is 3.05, and here the floor beam 0.55, 0.55, and outside big up ground floor to first floor also 250, 3.5, and it is also 0.55, and this is 9.3, and here outside big up is 25% opening consider, so this is the 9.38 kilonewton per meter, and outside big up 25% is also internal wall 125, 3.5, and beam thickness minus 0.55. So 20 into 1 minus 0.505, due to internal wall 5% openings are considered. So this is 5.9. So GFL to fast landing actually actually 1.55, the half of 3.05, and minus the beam thickness 0.55, and into 1.25, and 20 is the unit weight of brickwork, that is 5% actually, 50% opening, so it is zero point 0.5, so it is 1.25. Last landing to roof, last landing to roof, that is also 1.5 to 5, and this 1.5 to 5. This is the 1.5 to 5, 1.5 to 5. That means the 3.05 to 5, and this is the needs. This is the UD load, and internal wall for two floors. It's also same 5%. Equivalent loading for balcony. Uh, balcony 125 thickness and height on 1.2 meter, and there no consider so 20, and landing to landing required, that is 50% opening 3.3, roof to stair roof, roof to stair roof 2.4 meter height, and minus 0.5 actually, that is the 20 unit, and meter parapet wall over general roof, parapet wall general roof, that is 250, height 900 mm, 0.9, and no opening, no beam here, 20, 0% per 0.5, parapet wall over stair roof 125, 6, 5, roof to lift roof, it is also 0.25, height 1.5, 0.5 meter depth of beam. This is and lift floor to lift roof. It's also 0.24. There's no opening present here. Last retaining wall up to plane to point 0.2 meter, 3.05 height, and 25 unit weight is total UD load, roof to lift floors, roof to lift floors. That is also 1.5. Actually, roof to lift is present here. That should be deleted. Loading from floor slab, dead load is 1, self weight of slab 1.2 to 25 unit weight, so 3.15 per meter square, and finishing 0.05 mm 24, 1.2, and ceiling plaster 10 mm 20. It is total 4.5 to 5 for floor slab, and this is the dead load. Also is 2. This is the roof slab. Roof slab. In this case, the 75 mm finishing. It is mostly line finishing, roof treatment, so it is 75 mm, 22 unit weight, so it is 1.6, and ceiling plaster 10 mm, and here 4.975 the per square meter. Okay, so, and loading for live load room 2.544, stair 1.575, and tank with full water 2.5 k per meter square. Water pressure at mounted room. Water pressure at mounted room. Water pressure mounted room. So in this lecture, the load calculation are completed, and this load we will provided on that structure, floor by floor. So that we'll see in the next lecture. So thank you.